Woosung Precision is a plastic injection mold supplier and specializes in two-shot mold manufacturing, such as core index, turning inside, TI/TC, and surface color coating two-shot mold. Through our consistent technical development, since established 1993. Two-shot molding is defined as producing multi-component parts made of more than two resins or colors in one cycle by mechanical movement of rotating cores inside tool on an injection molding machine with two nozzles. Product design quality can be improved and part functionality can be maximized through applying this two-shot part geometry. Moreover, injection molding production cost can be saved by reduced defect rate and secondary processing compared to the insert type two-shot molding or transfer type two-shot molding that uses robot arms. Especially core index type two-shot mold can make more complicated part geometry feasible that cannot be realized by rotary or turnable type. Turning inside two-shot mold, developed by Woosung, can apply multiple cavitation compared to core index type at the same clamping force molding machine and can be operational in any molding machine if they have just two nozzles. Introducing mold structure and injection mold process of core index. The mold structure consists of cavity and core of the first shot and second shot and index axis. When the mold is closed, the first shot resin is injected into the first shot cavity through a nozzle. After the first injection is completed, the mold opens and the index axis comes out at the same time to separate the core. Raised index axis turns 180 degrees to return to move the molded first shot part to the second shot cavity. The complete two-shot part is molded by filling the second shot cavity and the first shot cavity with both resin at the same time. When filling the second shot cavity, chemical bonding between the first shot and the second shot resin is made by the chemical reaction. This chemical bonding strength plays important roles to make the complete part feasible. So part design engineers need to consider compatibility of material combination when developing new design concept. Turning inside mold makes the first shot and the second shot part molded by closing the mid-core and both halves together at the same time. Firstly, fill the first shot cavity. At this stage, the second shot cavity is not filled because the first shot part is not moved to the second shot cavity yet. After the first shot is filled and molded by cooling the mold opens and the mid-core becomes separate and rotates. After the mold is closed, the second shot cavity, where the first shot part is moved, and the empty first shot are injected. After cooling the mold, the complete two-shot part is molded. In addition, Woosung Precision developed surface color coating, two-shot mold, and the part surface is colored and coated with the thickness from 0.4 millimeters to 1.2 millimeters inside of mold. This technology is expected to replace the conventional secondary process of painting and coating in the various industrial fields. Woosung Precision can manufacture all the realizable types of two-shot mold on the globe, and we are the one and only manufacturer in Asia who can review feasibility, build tools, and conduct test run for tool tuning at the same time. The higher technology boosts the value of your business. We strive to provide optimized two-shot mold solutions for our customers' success in business, based on our accumulated know-how and experience.